Pitch is swung on. That's hit towards center field. Falling fast. Going to find a hole. In for a hit. Dunham rounding third. He will head home and tie the game. And an RBI single by Ben Rice. And we hit reset 5-5 here in the 8th inning as Kuja can't hold on for the save.
Now just like that. Ball ripped into the gap, cut off by Fernandez. But there was no way he was going to get Dunham hustling home with a tying run.
Right-hander set. You're right. He goes. The pitch is swung on and grounded into right field for a base hit. Hartman is in with a go-ahead run. To third base in the play goes Dunham. It's an RBI single by Ben Rice, who's had a nice debut with 2 RBI singles, and it's 8-7 Patriots.
Well, and that's how you do it. I mean, you've got everybody in motion when that runner is moving and contact is made. And so a big base hit delivers Hartman with a go-ahead run, and here we